What's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Quanda, coming back to you with another video. If you are returning, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I make videos from natural hair to texturized hair, wigs, protective styles, lifestyle, just showing you the journey of everyday life, the ups and downs, and everything in between. So like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss another video. So today's video, I am so excited. I'm going to be trying out the TAE hair products. I hope I'm pronouncing that right because I keep saying ETAE. I don't truly know how to pronounce it, but I think it's TAE from what I've seen in other YouTube videos. So I've been following her page for some years now, and I've been wanting to try out her products for so long. So I finally grabbed me the bundle of the TAE hair products, and I'm going to be trying that out today. So my hair is looking real crazy right now, y'all. I'm so tired. I just got off work, you know, 9 to 5 grind life. One day I hope to do this full time, but for now, from one job to the next. But enough with my whole spiel, y'all. From what I've seen on her Instagram, these products are really good if you want to do a silk press. It's going to leave your hair really silky, shiny. And if you have natural curly or curly hair, it's supposed to give you great results whenever you are reverting back to your curly hair from straight hair. So I'm excited to try out her products. Let me show you guys what I ordered. So I got the shampoo and conditioner. It's the Carmelux Silk Protein Conditioner. And then it's going to be the Deep Penetrating Shampoo Treatment. Caramel Deep Reconstructing Treatment. Butter Shine. I even bought some of her hair food. They're supposed to be thickening and growth enhancer drops, and I'll tell y'all why I bought these in a minute because y'all are probably like, girl, you already got hair. But I gotta talk to y'all about postpartum hair loss in this video. I'm not gonna speak too much on it because that's not what this video is about, but I gotta tell y'all. So I think the whole bundle costs, I wanna say maybe like $85-ish, $85. But hold on, let me double check because I don't want to tell y'all the wrong thing. Okay. Yeah, I was way off. So all of that together, all of those things, with tax, shipping, all that was $118.90. But I'm really hoping that it's going to be worth the hype. So you are going to be seeing me test out this product. Of course, y'all know, if y'all haven't seen my other videos, I am texturized, texlax, whatever you want to call it. I think the last time I put a texturizer in my hair was probably like 2 months after I had my son. So that was probably in June. And I haven't had one since. So it is now September. So I have a few other videos on my channel if you guys want to check that out, of me doing my own at-home silk press. I'll hardly ever go to a stylist or a beautician or whatever you want to call it. I need to find somebody. I used to go to my godmom who's a beautician, but she really doesn't do hair anymore. So I need to find somebody else because sometimes I get tired of doing my own hair. I wish I could tell y'all if this smells like anything or not, if it smells good. But me and my family just got over COVID. I lost my taste and smell. I was the only one that lost my taste and smell. And it's slowly coming back. Like I can kind of taste and smell a little bit, but it's not fully there yet. So I really cannot smell this stuff to tell y'all if it smells good or not. I know for me, I'm a sucker for hair products that smell good. But let me tell y'all about these hair drops and why I bought these hair drops, y'all. We're going to talk about postpartum hair loss, the things that they don't talk about when it comes to your after birth experience after giving birth to your baby. We're just going to have a whole little spiel. This is going to be my little TED talk about this before we get into me trying out these products because I have to get this off my chest, okay? Probably after my first son, I definitely noticed some postpartum shedding. I had never really heard of it until I looked it up. and it was a lot of women who went through the same thing. So my edges kind of started getting thin. And I remember after I had my first son, I would have like, I ain't gonna say huge clumps, but whenever I would like go to detangle or comb or brush my hair, I would have a lot of hair coming out. And it's been no different this time around. Of course, my hair grew a lot. This pregnancy, my second pregnancy, my hair has been long, luscious, thick. I've never had issues with my hair being thin. My hair has always been thick, but I have seen a tremendous amount of shedding and postpartum hair loss this time around versus with my first child. I definitely had a lot more issues and complications this pregnancy, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. And I was so sick that I really wasn't taking my prenatal pills, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it too. But I've definitely noticed, like I said, a lot of breakage, and then within these past couple of months, because you know, after I gave birth, everything was fine. You know, the postpartum hair loss and all that doesn't start until a couple months after. But I've noticed my edges are getting extremely thin. You can see over here, I literally have a bald spot over here. Yeah, I have to do something about this because I am a girl that likes to wear ponytails when my hair, when I'm not wearing wigs or I'm not wearing my natural hair, which is hardly ever. I'm usually wearing my hair in some type of high bun, low bun, something where my hair is up, and I can't deal with my edges being thin. So, which brings me to why I bought this hair food. On the Ethnicity Instagram page, I saw pictures, people trying out these drops and their hair and their edges thickening up. So I'm gonna try this product. I'm gonna be on a journey of trying to grow and thicken my edges back. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm pretty bad at sticking to stuff sometimes, because I know I was on a roll with trying the, what is it called, the wild growth hair oil. When everybody was talking about that, I was like, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna use this every day and update you guys and let you guys know if my hair grows. Y'all, I used one bottle and that was it. And I didn't even like document anything as far as hair growth. So I am trying to be better and more consistent when it comes to this, because I can't take not having no edges. So I know I haven't been taking the best care of my hair since after baby as I was, you know, when I was pregnant and I had a lot more free time. And you know, now I'm back at work and I don't have a lot of time. Still just trying to get a hang of having 2 kids and finding time to do the things that I need to do, self-care, like taking care of my hair. So after my son was born, probably those first couple of months, the first maybe 2 months, I was doing good, but I've kind of fell off. So I'm kind of scared to see how my hair is going to look when I flat iron it or when I straighten it. Enough of me talking, enough of me chit-chatting. Let's get straight into going and washing my hair and testing out and trying her product. So what I did like about this is whenever my package was delivered, I got an email and it states just the steps that you need and how to use her products. Is 5 steps. So first you're going to start off with the caramel treatment, and you're supposed to leave this in 20 to 30 minutes. You're supposed to leave this in your hair, cover your hair with a little plastic cap, plastic bag, whatever you got. And then go in with the shampoo, the conditioner, and then whenever you flat iron your hair, we are going to be using the butter shine. So let's get straight into this video. I can definitely tell I need a protein treatment. My hair is definitely feeling very brittle. Okay, so it says to apply to damp hair. So my hair is damp. I wet my hair a little. It says 1 to 2 handfuls. To apply 1 to 2 handfuls. I'm a little heavy-handed when it comes to products. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. I'm going to do the little magic part and part my hair. And I'm just gonna kind of do it in sections just to make sure I get everything. That's how much I'm putting in there. This stuff is definitely very sticky. Well, it's not like real sticky, but I don't know, it's kind of like, it was sticky when I was rubbing it together. But y'all, this caramel treatment, it says it's made with real bananas. But yeah, it says it improves texture, adds body volume, encourages growth, restores natural moisture, increases manageability, and it creates a natural shine. And I don't know, with me having to use so much of this, I definitely don't see that lasting a long time. I don't have a plastic cap, so I'm just going to use my shower cap. Kind of twist my hair up. It doesn't say to detangle your hair or anything, so I'm just gonna twist up my hair. Alright, 20 to 30 minutes and we'll be back, y'all. So it's been a good 30 minutes. And we're gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and we are going to get our shampoo and shampoo it out. And then I'm going to go in with the conditioner. So that's going to be step 2 and step 3. So a couple things that I did notice, my hair is super soft. I can say that after using all of the products, my hair feels very moisturized and very soft. So thumbs up. It took a lot of shampoo for me to get like a good lather, because I definitely, when it comes to my silk presses, I like to make sure my hair is not like oily or greasy or anything. That way my hair is not weighed down, and that's going to give me the best results as far as having flowy, silky, non-stiff hair. It's going to give me the most body. Making sure your hair is clean and free of any oils. All the oils that you want to add, if any, you can do that afterwards, but definitely during the flat iron process, you want your hair to be clean. That is like one of the major keys to a good silk press, making sure your hair is clean and free of any residue buildup or extra oils. No big deal when it comes to me, and I'm sure a lot of other people. The thing that I use the most of is going to be conditioner. So for the amount that I paid, or for the amount that you pay for these products, it's definitely on the higher end, I would say. So I don't really know how long it's going to last. I know for me, I only wash my hair maybe every 3 to 4 weeks. It just honestly depends how often you wash your hair. You know, some people wash their hair every 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 2 weeks. You know, for our type of people, we don't have to wash our hair that much. So I'm very good with going 3 to 4 weeks without washing my hair. I really don't think it's something that I would buy all the time just because of the price for now, unless it just really wows me. But I definitely don't think that's something that I would want to spend as far as just shampoo, conditioner, all that good stuff, you know, on a continuous basis, because that's literally basically $120 that you're spending. You know, that's like, I could buy a wig with that. We'll see. We'll see. It would really have to wow me when I flat iron my hair for me to really, like I said, buy that on a continuous basis. Okay, so this is not a part of the process, but I'm going to use my Silk Elements heat protectant spray. This helps in making my hair silky as well, and of course to protect my hair from all of the heat. Want to be using my Revlon brush blow dryer. With this product, you don't need a lot from what I've read and what I've seen online. You literally just take your finger, put it in there, literally that much. And if you're wanting to know what flat irons I'm using, I'm going in with these called Beadless Pro. They're by Babyliss. You know, the Babyliss Pro flat irons that are hella expensive. So they're made by them. I got these at Marshall's for like probably like $20 or $30, and they're titanium plated flat irons. So these are my tried and true favorite, but these are hella old. I don't even know. I think these were the Absolute Heat brand. I've had these for probably like 6-7 years. My right side's good. So I already know whenever I flat iron my hair, one side is going to be longer than the other. Do y'all have that same problem? I really don't feel like my hair is any different than what I could have gotten, or the results I would have gotten if I had used the normal products that I use. Maybe this is something that you have to like use a few times for it to work. I mean, I don't expect anything to just be like flawless the first time you use it, but I don't know, I was kind of expecting better results than this. I mean, my hair gets like this when I use, you know, my Paul Mitchell and my Silk Elements, you know, and that's definitely not $100. And my Bio Silk and all of that definitely does not equate to $100. Well, I'm gonna finish straightening the right side of my hair and give y'all my final thoughts, but I might try to use it. Well, I ain't no might. I am gonna use this a few more times and see if there's any difference there, and I'll let y'all know. But my first impression right now, I don't know if it's giving what it was supposed to give. All right, y'all, I'm back, and I just wanted to show you guys really quickly how my hair officially turned out after I got through styling it and everything. I know y'all like, this girl done changed her clothes or her shirt like 3 or 4 times. Y'all, this is literally the next day. Today's Saturday. It took me 3 days to film this damn video, y'all. And of course, here's my little crybaby right here. But y'all, it took me 3 days because I lost the charger to my to charge my battery, and my battery died, so I didn't get to complete the video the first time or the second time, which was last night. So literally it's taken me a few days to complete this video. As far as my final thoughts, I feel like I can't give my true final thoughts yet. I feel like maybe I should use the product a few more times to see if I get the results that I was hoping for, that I was looking for. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'm just gonna turn around and kind of show y'all what my hair looks like. Like I said before, my hair looks the same as it would if I would have used my regular hair products that literally cost half the price. So I'm not that impressed right now, but I'm not going to completely write it off. I am going to give it a chance, and we're going to see how it goes. But this is how my hair turned out. It does have body, but I mean, usually my hair always has body. So, but as far as like the shine factor, there's no, you know, wow factor there. Let me know if you've tried out the TAE products and they work for you, or let me know your experience. I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys later.